Yeah. Well, we're back. We made it in one piece. We haven't got captured yet, so we're Gucci. Hold on, gang shit.
My figure's surrounded, the riches are clouds.
Sound like the flames. The fly. Straight from Mexico, call her Quintana. Damn, she smoked my.
And honestly, I feel like people don't see the value of travel because when you don't travel all the time, you don't actually get to see the world for what it is. If you're stuck in your little box, it's like it's kind of hype, but you gotta get out there sometimes, get mud butt.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Taste food you don't like, do what you want to do. That's the only way you can really grow the person. Oh, yikes. Whole lot of gang shit, man. About buses here is that they play music on it. It's clearly bus driver's on his phone right now, so that can't be too safe. Most of the windows are broken and stuff like that. Like, man, it's a different world out here, for real. But somehow they all survive. Like, it's pretty sick. Can't lie, you know? Alright, so now we're downtown. Pretty sick. They even have a strip club over there. She has no cheeks on her though. That's not how we rockin'. BBWs only, you feel me? BBWs only, you feel me? Whole lot of gang shit. Yeah. They have everything that an American place would have. Like ice cream, seafood places. A lot of seafood over here. And a lot of freaking clubs too, man. Honestly, the one thing that I will say about this city, it's a city of hustlers. Like, no matter where you go, they'll be trying to sell you like drugs, prostitutes, fake jewelry, fake fragrances. But yo, I can't knock the hustle, you know? So I bet it was in New York, everyone's Hispanic though.
Six and a half hours later.
Oh no. Security check? What the hell? Alright, let's see my options here. Photos of friends, recent comments. I think it's I'm in Mexico, to be honest. Alright, this should be good. Yikes. First of all, this man literally looks like Akon.
Bruh.
Look at that. I was acting. Oh, nice. Alright. Oh, I can skip too if you want. Mate, so these Mexican jugglers don't take me.
No two skips available.
This is, oh, cheesy Chaz. Why does he look bald here?
Bruh.
That's easy. These Mexican people are legit with their security, man. You can't even sneak into a damn resort. Hey, let's go.
That's the quiz.
3 days later.
Alright, YouTube. Yesterday your boy got slumped. I got mud butt. I food poisoning. Oh man. That was terrible, man.
Oh, that's what
it was flying out of both ends. That shit got me fucked up. But yeah, it was a fun trip. I'm gonna have some sick ass drone footage for y'all. And some footage of the market and stuff. It's hard to film because when you're actually doing stuff, you don't want to actually just post your camera all the time like a real creepo, you know? And then next thing they'll pull up on me because I know I look like a local, but I can barely speak Spanish. But anyways, it's cool. I'm with a local right now anyways. Look, I met him on the beach.
Yes. No, but
Wait.
We're like how first and then fan up to the sky.
We finally made it to the beach, man. This is definitely no Mooney's Bay, but I think it can compare. And the beach out here is mod, bro. catching waves on them. This is no Mooney's Bay. I'm interested. And it just isn't even the end.
Ask to take a picture.
Are you sick?
Bruh.
That's all I see on my iPad.
First of all, they look at you like, what the fuck? Secondly, when you don't speak Spanish, they look at you like, what the fuck? I don't think they speak English at all. And man, the cops out here carry the heat on them. We're on the beach right now and this man has an AR-15. If you were to act up, you'd be done in an instant. Good thing I'm a local though.
Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.
So now we're here live at the beach. Man, I can never get sick of this. I'm not the biggest swimmer. I never got to swim in grade 10. But man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Free my mans. Okay, no one wants this old booty. Get out of here. Out there, right there, that's Ryan. Right there. At times like these, I wonder, am I ever gonna go back to Canada? Probably not. And this right here is like called Crackhead Alley. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So yo, watch this. I'm gonna walk to this, and Bear Man's gonna hit me up. Hold on, it might work. It might work. Hold on.
All you gotta do is give one of them a nice look, and then they'll all kind of attract.
Yeah. No, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Okay, buddy. It's early.
But here they ask you like if you want like drugs, prostitutes, anything you want.
Coochie.
They call coochie over here. That's a big wave. I'm gonna bring that back to Ottawa. And here's this place actually. This is the place that gave me food poisoning. This place is fire, but that place over there is beat. And here's the strip club. Nah, I'm good, man. Oh, now they're a little bit more shaky to see a camera out. Niggas aren't offering me drugs no more. Shop's the greatest shop of all time.
Yeah, I know, he filmed me outside to change the colors.
Yo, this place is mod, bro. You see anything you like? Bro. Previously on his teeth. No word of a lie. Mexico's pretty lax with their smoking laws. Like the other day I was just walking down the street and I saw a baby hacking a bogey.
These are pretty.
Oh, I guess this is like how to indicate them, right?
What's that?
That's how you can tell if they're fake or not. It's kind of cool. They tell you if it's fake. This room smells disgusting.
Oh, my fucking hurts, but.
I give credit to all you smokers. No matter the weather, you guys are out here bogeying. Unreal. But hey, man. Everybody has their vices. Mine just happens to be. Well, I ain't shit. I know.
Feel safe, that's you.
It's actually sad. I want you to get like a couple. And the only downside about Mexico is that this stuff right here, Cristal, is literally like gold because they have to pay 10 million pesos for water out here, man. It should be illegal. I'm actually cheese.